Hello everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time, but here it is, our first DIY project. Today, as you can see, we're going to work on the Raptor 1000. I have a brand new exhaust that we're going to fit in. It's going to be a quick and dirty video, so don't get your hopes up, but at least we get to see a bit of the process that it involves. It has a stock exhaust. This is a V-twin, so it has a punchy, rumbly sound, but of course everybody wants more, so let's see how the new exhaust sounds after we install it. So here it is, this new to me exhaust, and this is a second-hand example from the company called MIVV, so it's called MIV. It has been packaged very well by the previous owner, so well done to the guy. Let's unpack it and see what it shows. So here we go, we unpackage the exhaust. As you can see, this is the collector that connects to the main exhaust pipes, and these are the exhaust pipes themselves. As you saw, it's literally straight cut, no dB killer. Hopefully they're not outlandishly loud, but I think these will do the trick just fine. We have a couple of springs over here. Let's disconnect the original exhaust pipes from the bike, and we'll begin to install the new ones. There we go, guys, the exhaust is out. A bit of tinkering because obviously those bolts have not been removed for a long period of time, but ultimately it came out with little to no problems. It's quite heavy, it almost toppled me over when I removed it, but at least it's out. Let's see what we can do to fix the new one, and we'll get back to the action. Here we go, guys, the first one is on. It wasn't too much of a difficulty since I got the hang of it once I did the first downpipe. Everything is connected. It looks almost OEM, but check this out, guys. Look at the opening on that bad boy and the opening on the OEM. What a difference. Let's keep on going. We'll do the last one. And off to the first start. Okay, that took, I think, less than half the time to remove, since I knew what I was doing now. The exhaust is off, so rinse and repeat of what we did on the other side. Let's fit the new one, guys. The installation is complete. It didn't take more than half an hour. Let's see the results. These are the new exhaust headers. It was very easy to get loose with a lot of persuasion from WD-40, but otherwise they look fantastic. Look at that opening. Let's go for a first start, shall we? Let's go, guys. Moment of truth. Here we go. Holy shit. Holy shit. Listen to that burble. Oh my god. What a sound! Jesus! I'm afraid to push the throttle. Oh my god. Have you listened to that? What a difference. I'm afraid the cops are gonna stop me now. Awesome success, guys. These MIV terminals add that sound that should have been from the factory. They look stock, but holy shit, they're not stock at all. Hope you enjoyed this little video. It was nothing major. Just installed a couple of pipes, but the sound is amazing, guys. See you next time. Keep riding.